At the beginning of GradeDesk setup, it's always important to set up the subjects in the school before assigning the subjects to their different classes and batches. How this is done is also under academics. All you need to do is click on academics, click on subject. Okay, now you can see there are some subjects that have been added already: agri science, basic technology. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to add one subject and show you how it is done. So you need to go to add new subject master. Okay, so you specify a subject code. Let's assume I want to add a subject called IBIBIO. Alright, so I call it IBI and just specify IBIBIO. Okay, now I'm adding that because I know for sure that it wasn't there before. So now I want to see more than 10 entries. So click on and come down. Now the subject IBI with the code IBIBIO is already stated. So all I need to do now is to add. Once I am done with setting up all the subjects for all the batches, I now assign them to their batch. How this is done is to go to where you have batch subject setup, batch subject setup. So now on the left hand side you see core subjects. On the right hand side you see elective subjects. Now under this, I am now going to click on a particular batch. I will take transition, basic 1 transition. So pick up that. Now you have seen that those are some subjects that have been added already. So all I need to do, I now want to bring in that subject I just added, IBIBIO. Just want to add to it. So I now go to where I have add core subject. I click on subject IBIBIO. There it's waiting for me. So this is the maximum weekly classes that this subject has. Let's take for example, it has 4 weekly. If this subject is not going to be having exams, just click on no exam. But if it's going to be having exams, it's going to be tested for. Leave it. Don't check that. So I have just been able to add a video to basic 1 transition. First thing, I've just been able to add it. So under elective group, I can add a subject as an elective. Now, what you see here is it says please select an elective group, meaning that for this school we do not specify an elective group. So if the school that you are going to configure has elective groups, all you need to do is create it. So go to where you have add elective subject elective groups. Okay, so just click on new elective group. First of all, select a batch, then click on new elective group. So let's call this elective. Okay, some people can call it economics, some can call it humanities, some can call it engineering. Under engineering, of course, different kinds of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, different kinds of things can fall in. But for this, I just said to call it elective. So save elective group. That has been saved. Now I go back to where I have batch subject, batch subject setup, and I click on that same batch, basic 1. Good. Now I now choose an elective group. Elective. Good. That has been created, set up. Elective group. So I now add an elective subject. Okay. This is the subject I want to add as an elective, basic technology. So I click on that and I state the maximum number of classes. The same thing that I said before applies to these exams. So save subject. Beautiful. Now you can see it specified beta, basic technology, and everything is there. So when you have this is where you can edit the subject in case you want to change something, you made a mistake, you want to change, you want to change maybe the number of weekly classes, you want to change something, you can just click on this and it will give you an opportunity to change what you have added. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.